In this video, I will be detailing how to construct an altitude in a triangle. By definition, an altitude starts at a vertice and is perpendicular to the opposite side. This question here, what I will do is I will do two altitudes, one coming from vertex B and one coming from vertex A. To do an altitude, you will need to know how to construct a perpendicular line through a given point. So my first altitude is going to be from B to AC. So I put my compass point on B and I open up my compass to a length that I can make an arc that will intersect AC in two spots. Two spots. I always like to open up my compass a little wider. I then go to each point of intersection and make two more arcs, and the hope is in these two arcs that they will intersect each other. Better go back and make that one just a bit longer to be on the safe side. Go to the other point of intersection, same compass opening, and make another arc so the two intersect. Take your straight edge out, line it up, the point of intersection up with the vertice you're drawing it from, and draw in your altitude. You could stop right there if you wanted to, or you could continue on. And there is one altitude coming from vertice B. Now what I want to do is also show you how to do it coming from vertice A. You'll notice if you take your compass and try to open it up to a length that'll intersect BC, you will only get it to intersect just once, not twice. So to get it to intersect twice, we will take our straight edge back out and extend the length of BC. Now when I put it on vertice A, you will see now that it is a little bit easier to make an arc that intersects once. Let me do a different color so that's a little easier. It will intersect once, twice. Again, open up my compass a little further. Go down here, make another arc from the point of intersection. Same compass opening, come on over here and make another arc that intersects that one I had just made. And again, I will line it up with vertice A, and this one will be on the outside of the triangle. Anytime I do have an obtuse triangle, which is what triangle ABC is, you will find one of the altitudes, at least one altitude will be located on the outside of the triangle. And here is my right angle. While we're on the topic right now that I've drawn two out of the three altitudes, where they intersect each other, so let me draw my first altitude a little bit longer out. Right there. So this point right here, that point right there where the two altitudes intersect, making sure we know the name of that point is referred to as the orthocenter. That is where the two altitudes intersect. If I were to do the third altitude coming from C drawn to AB, you will notice that they would intersect right at the same spot. So the orthocenter, again, is where the two altitudes intersect each other. Two altitudes intersect each other.